The translation for killing is hell's maintenance. I'm in hell waiting, my head shaking with no patience. Statements from an acquaintance that blatantly sound the lamest. They knowing just where the game is, keep flowing. I make they brain shift. I'm made sick, sick made, that's what I'm saying. I'm steady verbally slaying a raven who's so decaying. Road paving the bricks I'm laying. I'm blaming my walls for caving and turning my fate to raising. Been wondering where my days spent. I hate to vent, sometimes living it makes no sense. Think I'm further, I hit a fence. Got me timidly looking tense and it's dense, but I got credentials. A pad, a pen or pencil, release the thoughts in my mental. I'm doing things that I'm meant to. Shit, I'm beyond where I'm supposed to be. Hopefully there's still hope for me. Got me up and like Coakley just to get me some groceries. Locally I done did it. These words I got is infinite, no limit. It's not a gimmick. I see my state as a scrimmage. It's a test that I'm supposed to pass. The test that I avoid the crash. The cash could surely make a splash inside the sea with muddy past. Believe no priest, a dummy pastor. Keep the peace, enjoy the laughter. All deceased in different chapters. Different people reach it faster. Yeah, bitch.